Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare uba po lingdo habakran cekila pathai kubor hadin ka Jylla. Ula Pynbna baka BSF kabala ailat na kabentagi kena Samla bakin tep ya kakam kabala penlat lakum balai spa tam na kabentagi kertong ki bahab hapo ke ST jom ke Jylla. Uba pol ula ongru ba omtang na ki BSF ne ki pulit bakin don haman laki jaka henry ula kenturu ya ki pad ba bakin snok tilang bantau ya ki kenhon VDP ban nishim benta laki hab ha kanu kanu kakam kum ki ban pet na kabenta ka suk kasan hapo ka shnong ka thau ban bud din na kabenta ka yat ka yang kinong di drok ne kinong khayi.
Not at all. In fact, we are looking at a scenario where everybody joins forces. Now, I'm happy to share with you that at the instance of the state government, the BSF has now advertised posts of totaling 300 posts for ST candidates of Meghalaya. 300, which is the biggest recruitment drive ever by the BSF, which I'm thankful to their DG. We have been in constant touch. Now, apart from the BSF, we will also need the support of local villagers. You can't expect the BSF and the police to be everywhere, which is why the TA, the Territorial Army, is a viable supplementary force. That apart, if you recall, I have also mentioned that the state government has already enacted a legislation that allows for us to create VDPs, including in the capital city of Shillong. We would like to see more localities and villages coming forward to join and establish VDPs, which have multifarious roles, whether it is maintenance of peace, whether it is dealing with narcotics, and generally to supplement the efforts of the state to provide safe policing ecosystem in Meghalaya.
Paul, it will fall under which department?
Which?
Territorial Army falls under which department?
See, we are collecting more and more details. I will be able to see in the case of Assam, it is with the Home Department. In our case, it can either come under Home or Home Guards and Civil Defense. That once we approve in principle the concept of TA, we will be able to further update you.